I've been reviewing PCEX trading throughout 2025, and while it promotes itself as a professional crypto trading platform with advanced features and high profit potential, there's serious concerns that potential users should be aware of before signing up. PCEX claims to offer a secure environment with low trading fees and efficient order execution. However, a growing number of users have reported troubling issues, most commonly involving delayed or blocked withdrawals. Some users have even been asked to pay additional fees before they can access their own funds, which is a major red flag and a common tactic seen in questionable platforms. There are also serious concerns about transparency. The platform's customer support is reportedly unresponsive, especially when users raise concerns about missing funds or account restrictions. On top of that, there's little publicly available information about the team behind the exchange, and some users have claimed the platform misrepresents its regulatory status. User feedback across various review forums suggests a pattern of behavior that mirrors scam-like operations, such as fake incentives, sudden withdrawal limits, and suspicious bonus terms. There's even mention from several users that PCEX may have copied the names or branding of legitimate firms to appear more trustworthy, which only adds to the uncertainty. If you're considering using PCEX trading, I strongly recommend doing your due diligence first. Based on what I've found and the consistent user complaints, this platform may pose a serious risk to your funds. If this review helped you make a more informed decision, be sure to like the video, share it with someone exploring trading platforms, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.